Multiple closely followed refinance rates receded today. Both 15-year fixed and 30-year fixed refinances saw their average rates go down. At the same time, average rates for 10-year fixed refinances also slumped. With rates expected to rise throughout 2022, now might be a good time to act on a refinance. If you're a homeowner in the market for a refi, make sure to first think about your personal goals and circumstances, and compare offers to find a lender who can best meet your needs. 30-year fixed-rate refinance. The current average interest rate for a 30-year refinance is 4.08%, a decrease of 15 basis points over this time last week. A basis point is equivalent to 0.01%. Refinancing to a 30-year fixed loan from a shorter loan term can lower your monthly payments. If you're having difficulties making your monthly payments currently, a 30-year refinance could be a good option for you. However, interest rates for a 30-year refinance will typically be higher than rates for a 15-year or 10-year refinance. It'll also take you longer to pay off your loan. 15-year fixed-rate refinance. For 15-year fixed refinances, the average rate is currently at 3.35%, a decrease of 14 basis points from what we saw the previous week. With a 15-year fixed refinance, you'll have a larger monthly payment than a 30-year loan. However, you'll also be able to pay off your loan quicker, saving you money over the life of the loan. Interest rates for a 15-year refinance also tend to be lower than that of a 30-year refinance, so you'll save even more in the long run. 10-year fixed-rate refinance. The average rate for a 10-year fixed refinance loan is currently 3.25%, a decrease of 16 basis points compared to 1 week ago. You'll pay more every month with a 10-year fixed refinance compared to a 30-year or 15-year refinance, but you'll also have a lower interest rate. A 10-year refinance can help you pay off your house much quicker and save on interest. But you should confirm that you can afford a higher monthly payment by evaluating your budget and overall financial situation. Where rates are headed. While throughout the pandemic we saw historically low refinance rates, there's been an uptick recently due to two critical factors: inflation and economic growth. But rates are dynamic and can change for a number of reasons. The spread of Omicron, for example, kept rates somewhat steady throughout December and the start of the new year. Overall, rates are expected to go up this year, particularly with the Federal Reserve's decision to increase interest rates. We track refinance rate trends using data collected by Bankrate, which is owned by CNET's parent company. Here's a table with the average refinance rate supplied by lenders nationwide. Average refinance interest rates. Product rate a week ago change: 30-year fixed refi 4.08%, 4.23% minus 0.15. 15-year fixed refi 3.35%, 3.49% minus 0.14. 10-year fixed refi 3.25%, 3.41% minus 0.16. Rates as of March 8, 2022. How to find the best refinance rate? It's important to understand that the rates advertised online may not apply to you. Market conditions aren't the only factor in interest rates. Your particular application and credit history will also play a large role. To get the best interest rates, you'll typically need a high credit score, low credit utilization ratio, and a history of making consistent and on-time payments. To get your personalized refinance rates, you'll need to speak with a mortgage professional, as the rates you qualify for may differ from the rates advertised online. And don't forget about fees and closing costs, which may cost a hefty amount up front. It's also worth noting that in recent months, lenders have been stricter with their requirements. If you have a low credit score or a poor credit history, you might have trouble getting a refinance at the lowest interest rates. To get the best refinance rates, you'll first want to make your application as strong as possible. The best way to improve your credit ratings is to get your finances in order, use credit responsibly, and monitor your credit regularly. Don't forget to speak with multiple lenders and shop around to find the best rate. When should I refinance? Most people refinance because the market interest rates are lower than their current rates or because they want to change their loan term. While interest rates have been low in the past few months, you should look at more than just the market interest rates when deciding if a refinance is right for you. To decide whether a refinance is right for you, consider all of the factors, including how long you plan to stay in your current home, the length of your loan term, and the amount of your monthly payment.